decided to ride with a criminal minded juveniles. Finding love in my life changed, baby girl, I believe you're my everything. So tell me, how could I explain the feeling inside? The pleasure and the pain made a brother change. From this ghetto life and everything's gonna be alright if I play my cards right. Taking away all my sins with a touch of your hand. So now I promise be your man and your best friend. I know we've been together for a while now, and I can see you will always be the only person in my life now. Through the good and the bad times, painted pretty pictures in my mind, made me cry through the sad times. I know we've been together for a while now, and I can see you will always be the only person in my life now. Through the good and the bad times, painted pretty pictures in my mind, made me smile through the sad times. I know you was in love with somebody up before me. The love was rough, so you had enough of this lying and cheating, getting high and creeping. You be all alone at night, crying when you're sleeping. Feel like you're wasting your time, it's all to say goodbye, but you're leaving for a new beginning. And when you met me, you just wanna sex me and test me, but you blessed me today, you became my be the queen. Maybe it's the way that I walk and the way that I talk, got you wanna be with me, or maybe just the little things that we do. It's true, my attitude don't match you. Just give me some time and now learn how to adapt, boo. I know you miss me calling on the late now with nothing to say. Just listen to me bullshit and put a smile on your face. Can't wait to see me, already making plans for the next day. Touching and teasing will get us both, taking off our clothes for some love making. I know we've been together for a while now, and I can see you will always be the only person in my life now. Through the good and the bad times, painted pretty pictures in my mind, made me cry through the sad times. I know we've been together for a while now, and I can see you will always be the only person in my life now. Through the good and the bad times, painted pretty pictures in my mind, made me smile through the sad time. Baby, we grown now, but still a long way to go. I could picture the happy home now, you and me together grown old. I need you to be with me, so baby, team with me, and we can reach our dreams and goals. I remember we fantasized about the future. You're telling me you never leave my side, you will always ride with me forever. I never thought I'd feel the way that I feel. I can feel the deep inside my heart from the very start. So this love gotta be real, only you know how to feel about us. I'll be keeping it real, try to be the man that you love and trust. I know you hate it when I cuss and fuss. I witness a lot of tears from the arguments, fights and stuff. Try to make it up with golden eyes so you can shine with love. We can turn off the lights when it's time to lust. I know we can make it on our own. Let's build a happy home, we're pretty strong together. I hope you like the diamond stones that I got you. I got an empty throne waiting for you.